Morning, my name is Shell Davis. I'm with Massey Toyota of Kinston, North Carolina. I'd like to invite all you people down here to look at our inventory. We've got a great inventory. We've been in business since 1938. I've been in sales for about 45 years. I want to welcome you to Massey Toyota this morning. We're going to take a look at the 2020 RAV4 XLE. And let's take a look at it now. And it's red in color. This vehicle is a 2020. It gets about 37 miles to the gallon. That's awesome. A four-door small SUV. It has a lot of room. I'll be showing you some of the features of this vehicle as we're walking around it. If you'll just follow me, come on, we'll look at it together. The RAV4 offers a leather interior. As you can tell, this is a leather interior. This is the XLE model. This vehicle comes standard with telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, sunroof, windows and door locks. Now this vehicle is a 4-cylinder engine. It has got plenty of power. It comes with 19-inch tires and wheels here. Plenty of room in the back seat. In the back seat it offers the ventilation for your passengers in the rear. A very nice amount of space there. Coming on around the vehicle, let's move on to the back of the RAV4. The RAV4 and this particular model has the luggage cover, or personal cover we like to call it, if you're traveling or even going to the grocery store and you want to put your amenities back there. The cover is wonderful. This vehicle has the 60/40 split seats in the rear. The seats fold flat in the back. Gives you more room, or you can use it as a 60/40 split one seat and have a passenger, or lay both of them down for traveling. As we're walking around the vehicle, I'm going to show you more features to this RAV4. Comes with the beautiful alloyed wheels. They are 19-inch wheels. They're very pretty, premium wheels there. This vehicle here, again, you're saving about $750 in fuel cost over 5 years. That's really good. This vehicle right here delivers 28 to 30 miles to the gallon in and around the city. So if you don't want a real bulky SUV and you don't want a vehicle that you got to worry about parking, the RAV4 is an excellent choice. I will tell you that the RAV4 is only priced at $32,570. Right now we got a wonderful incentive program. So if you're retired military or you go on Car Gurus and see this vehicle, I won't let you beat my deal. I can promise you that. If you come see me, Shell Davis, at Massey Toyota, I will not let you go anywhere else. I will sell you a car and I will take care of you after the sale. I've been in this business a long time. I will take care of your needs. We have loaner car program. We've got an excellent service department, a great staff here. People has been here many years, and we will take care of you. Our sales staff we got one of the #1 sales staff here. Come on down and see our sales staff. And some of you has bought here before, so you have already talked or spoken to someone in the previous years. But my name's Shell Davis. I've been in the business a long time. I've been with Toyota a long time, and I love to earn your business. Moving on around to the passenger side vehicle here, as you can tell, I'm going to point out some of the features. When you have dual zone climatic control heating and air conditioner, that simply means that if one or the other is in this seat, they can change the temperature without changing the driver's temperature, which is a big deal. I know a lot of times people are either cooler or hotter because of one thing or another, but that makes a excellent ride. They drive good. They got the Recaro look seat here, which actually molds to your body. This vehicle is designed to mold to your body. It is designed to help you if you have back troubles and things like that. A wonderful vehicle. As you can tell on the inside of this vehicle, it is set up right before your eyes, so you can see everything right there. You don't have to move your hands very much there. This vehicle comes with the heated seats. If you're like me, I love heated seats. Heated seats is awesome, especially if you're taking trips or if you have a bad back or something. They're awesome. Moving around to the front, let's talk about the aerodynamics of this vehicle. The reason why the hood of this vehicle is sloped is because it's called the coefficient drag. Let me explain. Coefficient drag is how the air moves through and around the vehicle to get fuel efficient. As you can tell, the slope and design, the fine lines on this vehicle, that's the reason why you get such good fuel mileage on vehicles now, because of the way they're designed. You're talking about a 5-star rating. 5-star rating means safety. That means good things for this vehicle as far as impact, side, rear, front, collision. It has the crumple zones around the front. Those crumple zones basically means that if this vehicle is impacted in the front, it will give. That is another safety feature. So look at the headlights, the way they're designed in the front. These headlights are shatterproof. And I did that for a reason, because if a rock or something hits this light, it's simply not going to bust it. It's going to simply break away from it. Notice the grille. Notice how aerodynamic the grille looks around the front. The fog lights, the way this vehicle is set up. This vehicle is a #1 choice amongst our mid-age, our older age, our younger age. So really what I'm trying to say is there's no age limit on this vehicle. Come see me today at Massey Toyota. You'll be glad you did.